All right, language explorers. Let's look at this week's Wednesday adjectives. Early. Early. When you arrive, say or do something before you needed to do so and you have spare time. Yeah. I finished the book early. We want to sleep early. I woke up early. I woke up early. Yeah. Early in the morning. Yeah. So, I often get up early in the morning, very early, like 6 a.m. It is the early morning. Yeah. How cool is that? The early morning here. Yeah. So, how many people were early? How many people were early here? Yeah. We need the earlier train. Yes. That was an early bus. An early bus, yeah. So, I have an early appointment. Yeah, early in the morning. He is an early riser. He wakes up early. She wants the early train in the morning. Yeah. They need to be here early before everyone else. Before everyone else. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. I have she, yeah, and it. It was finished early. Yeah, early finish. Okay, all right. So now we have plenty of time. Early. How cool is that? Yeah. So, he used to get up early. Yeah, early. It is the early part of the day. Yeah, definitely, yeah. Very good. Okay, so, careful not to be early, as we'll have nothing to do. Don't be early. Don't be late. I will be early. I won't be late. When you're early, you have more free time. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that? So, at this rate, we'll arrive early for the meeting. Yeah. When we are early, then we can wait and relax. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, so early. Arrive, say or do something early. I wrote it earlier. I wrote it early in my career. Yeah. They said it earlier today. Yeah, very early. It is the early morning. It's the early morning as the sun is rising. As the sun is rising. How cool is that? Yeah, so early. Now, can you write early in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And can you like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more content to come, and you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just look for English with Adrian, and you can find me on Udemy too. Look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.